I'm going to demonstrate pushing one contractor's bill into QuickBooks via the integration. So I'm going to scroll down to Weekly Labor Report. I'm going to select one user from the system, and then I'm going to scroll down and you'll see the time records from today when we were doing the demo. And if I scroll down to Summary Report, you can see right here. This is telling me there's no rate assigned to this job. It's going to use the markup that was set up inside of QuickBooks, so there won't be any sort of override. If you type in a rate here, it'll override what's in QuickBooks. I'm going to select the name and just make sure that our mapping is correct. I'm going to select, I want to say that this user works on appliance repair, and I'm going to map it to a vendor A+ service, and I'm going to say the rate is $25. This is not correct, but for the demo's purposes, I'm going to map this user to these accounts, appliance repair. Right, save. Filter. Scroll down, and before I hit the QuickBooks Sync button, I'm also going to make sure that my project is mapped. And it's mapped to this vendor, so that looks good to me. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to hit the QuickBooks Sync button. Wait for it, and it went green, and I'll show you in QuickBooks what it looks like. So I'll show you what it looks like inside QuickBooks. If I move over here, I search for the vendor where I push this bill to, so I'm in QuickBooks here. I'll scroll so we can see it. A+ appliance. The product and service I selected was appliance repair. These are the two jobs that we used. The amount of billable time, the rate that was defined, the total amount calculated, and remember this job was billable. We go back and take a look at it. It was marked billable here. And you can see in QuickBooks when I go over here, it's billable, and the markup is calculated, and it's assigned to the proper customer. And that shows you the synchronization between QuickBooks and Timance.